Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset oil life on your Volkswagen GTI. First, turn your car's ignition on, but do not start the engine. Next, locate your vehicle's main display screen and use the controls to navigate to the main menu. From there, you will need to find and select the Settings or Setup option to proceed with the reset process. This initial step is crucial for accessing the maintenance menu. Once you are in the settings menu, scroll down to find and select the service or service interval option. This will open a new submenu with various maintenance-related choices. Confirm your selection to enter these service options. Within this menu, you should clearly see an option labeled Reset Oil Change Service, which is exactly what we need to select to continue. Now that you've found the Reset Oil Change Service option, go ahead and select it. Your vehicle's display will then prompt you to confirm this action. Make sure to confirm the reset when asked to ensure the process is completed successfully. After confirmation, the oil life indicator on your dashboard should immediately update to show 100%, indicating a successful reset. You're almost done. To finalize the reset, turn your ignition completely off, then restart your engine. Double-check your dashboard to ensure the oil life display now shows a full reading, confirming the reset was successful. Remember to perform regular oil changes to keep your GTI running smoothly. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.